Welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have already seen about map function in the stream API. So why we need a map function? So map function is used to return a stream consisting of the result returned by a function. So we have already seen one example here with the list of type integer. We have the list called number. Inside this list, we have these values 2, 4, 6, 8. And we created a new list called number square, which will be the square of our initial list using map function. So this was our code here. So we had the list called numbers, and then we have a logic number dot stream, and here we can multiply it with itself. So we can say n into n. So if I run this code, so see the values we have inside this list is 2468, and we have created a new list called number square, which is a square of each number. So what we have done here, our list name is number. We have applied the stream method to it, number dot stream. After that, we are making use of this map function. So map will take each element, apply a logic to it, and convert it. So we will take each input inside a variable n, and we will multiply it with itself. So each element will be multiplied with itself. So this particular thing will return as a string. We don't want to store it inside a string. We want to store it inside a list. That's why we are using here dot collect collectors dot to list. This will convert our stream, this particular stream, to a list. Now we want to see the another example here. So what we will do now, we will create another list here of type string. So we will have some values inside this list, and we will convert the original list to a new list called upper names. And what this list will have? This list will have all the characters in uppercase. Now let's see the logic for it. So we will create a list here of type string. The list name is names. We will provide the values here, arrays dot as list. Let's provide the values as Alice and Bob, Charlie. This is the third value here, Charlie. So this is my original list. Now we want to convert this list to a upper names list, which will have all the characters in uppercase. Now first thing is we need to create a stream first. So we know how to create a stream from a collections. We need to provide a stream interface of type string because we are working with string now. And let's say name is stream. You can provide any name here. Then we need to provide our collection names, which is names. So I will say here names dot stream method. So this will convert our list to a stream. So if I show you, I can print this out. My names, this is my original list, and then I can print the stream also. So how to print a stream here? So I will say stream dot for each, and then system dot out, then method reference to the println method, println. If I run this code, so this is our list. Inside this square bracket we have all the values Alice, Bob and Charlie, and next three values are from the stream variable that we have created a stream here, Alice, Bob and Charlie. So what we want to do, we want to convert each character from this list to uppercase. So we need to make use of map function here. So I will apply here a map because map is going to return as a string, right? What does map returns? Map method is used to return a string consisting of the result written by a function. So here we can say map. This is my method map, and here you need to provide a logic to convert each character into a uppercase. So what logic I can say here? I can say a variable s, then provide an arrow token. Basically I am using a lambda expression here. So I will take each values that will be stored inside this s. For the first time Alice will be stored inside this s, and then I will convert that s to lowercase or uppercase, whatever I want. So I can say here uppercase. So I will take each value from the list and convert it to uppercase, and that will be stored inside this stream. Let me print that also. So I can say here stream for each, then system out println. So I can run this code. So see, we are able to get all the values in uppercase. So we have converted our list to the stream that is having all the values in uppercase. But this will return as a stream because map is going to return as a stream, right? But we don't want to store it inside a stream. We want to store it inside a list. So what I can do, instead of stream, I will say here, I want to store it inside a list of type string, and let's say name uppercase is a name here. You can provide any name, but this will give me error. What does the error says? Because this is expecting a list here and this will return as a stream. So we need to convert this stream to a list. So how to do that? So you need to say here dot collect, then collectors dot to list. You can convert it to a list, and now we are not using this stream anymore. Then I can directly remove it and print our updated list. System.out.println this out, and I can say here we'll copy this number uppercase, paste it here, save it and run now. So see, we are getting two lists here. This is our original list and this is our updated list now, right? Alice, Bob and Charlie, all the characters are in uppercase. So we have provided here a lambda expressions. So here we can also make use of method reference. So instead of providing the lambda expression, what we can do, we can have a method reference here. And how to make use of it? You can provide the class name. So this is from string class, and then method reference to the method. So let's say to uppercase I want to say. So to uppercase I will say. This is same as previous statement, just this is a method reference and that was a lambda expressions. So if you don't know much about lambda expression and method references, you can watch those videos also. See, we are getting the same output. We can test it with another method. Let's say to lowercase. So I can make use of to lowercase also. So now all the characters will be printed in a lowercase. See, all the characters are in a lowercase. So this was one of the example of map function.